The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Mark Zuckerberg. Many people dream of financial freedom, of being their own boss and controlling their own destiny. The stock market offers this opportunity to anyone with the courage to learn and the discipline to succeed. Day trading in particular can be a thrilling and rewarding path to financial independence. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But with the right mindset and approach, anyone can master the skills needed to succeed in the stock market. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, join us as we explore the exciting world of day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. This means all positions are closed before the market closes, and traders don't hold any positions overnight. Day traders aim to profit from short-term price movements, capitalizing on the market's volatility. This approach is different from traditional investing, where people buy and hold assets for the long term. Day trading is fast-paced and exciting. It requires quick thinking, decisive action, and a keen understanding of market dynamics. Day trading offers several potential benefits. First, it allows you to control your own schedule and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Second, it offers the potential for significant profits in a short period. Finally, day trading can be intellectually stimulating, challenging you to constantly learn and adapt to new information. If you're ready to dip your toes into the exciting world of day trading, here are a few basic tips to get you started. 1. Start with education. Before you risk any capital, take the time to learn the basics of trading. There are countless resources available online, including articles, videos, and courses that can teach you the fundamentals of technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. 2. Choose the right broker. Selecting a reputable broker is crucial for your success as a day trader. Look for a broker with a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and a good reputation for customer service. 3. Start small and manage your risk. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Begin with a small trading account and gradually increase your position size as you gain experience and confidence. 4. Develop a trading plan. A well-defined trading plan outlines your entry and exit points, risk management strategy, and profit targets. It helps you stay disciplined and avoid making emotional decisions in the heat of the moment. Remember, day trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to master the skills needed to succeed. Be patient with yourself, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trading strategies emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Attend webinars, read trading books, and follow experienced traders to stay informed about the latest market trends and strategies. You can also join online communities and forums to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. Remember, every trade is a learning opportunity, whether it's a win or a loss. Take the time to analyze your trades, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and continuously refine your trading strategies. The path to success in day trading is paved with dedication, perseverance, and a thirst for knowledge. Embrace the challenges and rewards that come with this exciting field, and never stop striving for improvement. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.